Stocksbridge Guitar Tech, and here we are at lesson number 9. Now in the last lesson you learned the notes of the low E string, or at least I hope you have, and today we're going to be learning the notes of the 5th string, the A string. So it's pretty much the same. You will know half of these already, because if you take the low E string from the 5th fret, this is an A on the 5th fret, which is basically the same as the open E string. So if you've learned the notes after that 5th string, A sharp, B, C and so on, that's where we're going to start on this lesson. So let's zoom in and let's have a look at the notes on the 5th string. So as per the last lesson, we're going to start with the open A. The 1st fret is A sharp. The 2nd fret is B. 3rd fret is C. The 4th fret is C sharp. The 5th fret is D. The 6th fret is D sharp. The 7th fret is E. The 8th fret is F. 9th fret is F sharp. The 10th fret is G. 11th fret is G sharp. And the 12th fret, we're back at A again. So again, remember those two pairs of notes, E and F, we have no sharp between them, and B and C, we have no sharp between them. So once more, we have the open A. On the 1st fret we have A sharp. On the 2nd fret we have B. On the 3rd fret C. The 4th fret is C sharp. Then we've got D on the 5th fret. D sharp on the 6th fret. E on the 7th fret. F on the 8th fret. F sharp on the 9th fret. G on the 10th fret. G sharp on the 11th fret. And A on the 12th fret. And that's the A chromatic scale. So there you are, guys. So now you know the notes of the low E string, and now go away and learn the notes of the 5th string, the A string. Knowing the notes on these two strings will set you up nicely for when we start learning bar chords. We've got still a few open chords to do before we get to bar chords, so we'll carry on with the open chords in lesson number 10. So please join me for that one. As always, please do subscribe and click the little bell notification if you want to follow along. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.